They used the scrapers made from the stones flakes to scrape meat from the hide of dead animals. They used leather clothings. Okay, the Neanderthal man used leather clothing. They were mainly meat eaters. Okay, the Neanderthal man mainly ate meat. Okay, they were meat eaters. Let's see. Okay, the hunting by Neanderthal man, the hunting process. Okay, you can see how they hunt the big animals. Okay, the big animals. The Neanderthal man hunted big animals. Hunting by Neanderthal man. They ate meat roasted on fire. They knew the art of making fire by rubbing sticks of hardwood on each other or by striking of flintstone on another, okay, on one flintstone, striking on another to obtain the spark. Okay, from the spark they produce fire. Okay, this part once again. They ate meat roasted on fire. Okay, they were called meat eaters and they ate meat roasted on fire. They knew the art of making fire. The Neanderthal man, no, they knew the art of making fire. By how they made the fire? By rubbing stick of hardwood on each other or by striking one flint stone on another to obtain sparks. Okay, from that way they made fire and roasted the meat and ate. You can see how they make fire here. Okay, by striking the flint stone, they made fire. They roasted meat. Okay, they roasted meat. Okay, after making fire, on the fire they roasted meat and ate. Making fire and roasting meat. Some scientists believe that the Neanderthal communicated with each other by producing grunts. Okay, by producing grunts and other primary sounds. However, it is not known whether they had a developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. Okay, there is a doubt whether it is clear that they developed a communication system. Okay, how they communicated? By producing grunts and using primary sounds. But, however, it is not known whether they had a developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. It was not clear. They got a developed system of language for expressing their thoughts by the help of words. When a member of the group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horns, etc. along with the dead body. Okay, when a group member died, the Neanderthals buried along with the dead body tools, horns, etc. They also applied red ochre to the dead body before burying it. A color, red color, they applied to the dead body before burying it. It shows that the Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. Okay, it shows this activity of burying the dead shows that the Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. Okay, some sort of rituals they conducted before burying the dead. The Neanderthals buried some dead bodies by performing some rituals before burying it. I hope that is clear for you. In course of time, some groups of Neanderthals left Africa. Okay, in course of time, some groups of the Neanderthal left Africa and migrated up to the continents of Europe and Asia. Okay, in course of time, later on, some group of the Neanderthals left Africa. Okay, then they migrated up to the continents of Europe and Asia. They had to adopt new ways of living and finding food. Those who migrated to Europe and Asia had to adopt new ways of living and finding food. They went on modifying and improving the tools. Okay, the people, those who migrated, the Neanderthals, those who migrated, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. However, the improvements in tools took place over thousands of years. Okay, the improvement, they went on improving the tools, but it took thousands of years for improving their tools. Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Okay, now you see, you have to see this word, the new word here now, Homo sapiens. Okay, Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Homo sapiens means intelligent. Okay, Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. The Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. Okay, the Neanderthal and the Homo sapiens were neighbors. They were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to the reasons like their conflict with the Homo sapiens, it is believed that due to reasons like their conflict with the Homo sapiens and inability to adapt to the environmental changes, okay, their conflict, their fight with the Homo sapiens and their inability to adapt to the environmental changes, the Neanderthals became extinct. Okay, that part once again is very important. It is believed that due to reasons like their conflict with the Homo sapiens, their conflict means their dispute, their fight with the Homo sapiens, and inability to adapt to the environmental changes. Okay, these are the main reasons. Okay, the Neanderthals became extinct. They become extinct. Okay, means they disappeared from the world. They became extinct. They became vanished, disappeared from this world. On the basis of C14 dating, C14 you already studied in one of the early chapters. C14 means carbon 14 dating method. It is estimated that the Neanderthals became extinct about 30,000 years ago. Okay, on the basis of C14 dating method, it is estimated that the Neanderthals became extinct about 30,000 years ago. Okay, that is all about the Neanderthal man. More about the same lesson we will continue in the next week. You read your textbook again. Okay, read the textbook of the part 5.1, the Neanderthal men, Homo Neanderthals. You read again and you read your textbook. Afterwards, watch the video again for a clear picture about this lesson. Whenever you are free, visit your YouTube channel AK Sarana Tarakel. Go to the videos and you can find all your videos are there. For your last test, test number 6, you will be getting questions from all your lessons. That is why watch all the videos again one by one whenever you get a free time and get full mark. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Till then, everybody take care.